over our head. Huge embers, small embers. It was glowing. It was hot. This is what I'm talking about. Embers flew about a quarter to half mile away over to this hillside and immediately turned it into that lava effect that Steve referred to. It looked like lava.
She said when she was leaving her house, there were basketball-sized embers being thrown from this fire pit.
Unbelievable.
That's where this is getting out of control. Those little demon embers.
And why you showing us that is it's the example that we've all been describing throughout the day.
Caused by directed energy weapons, which we discussed this, and you can see this photo right here of these cars that are just absolutely burnt.
And suspect, to say the least. We have specific areas being burned, like energy was being directed at certain things. In drone footage of the aftermath, we see houses completely obliterated and turned to ash while the surrounding landscapes and trees are totally fine. Here is a clip courtesy of Serbian Conspiracy. I'll put a link in the description. You'll notice here that stores and restaurants are wiped out while other things are still in perfect shape. Other buildings are fine, trees are untouched, but specific structures are just devastated. You gotta ask yourself, what's up with that? How did the fires get to these certain buildings, but the surrounding areas, including the parking lot, look normal? Is this the result of direct energy weapons? Ranged weapons that inflict damage on a target by emitting highly focused energy? The answer is most likely yes, but most people believe that these kind of weapons are just science fiction.
The United States will cease all implementation of the non-binding Paris Accord and the draconian financial and economic burdens the agreement imposes on our country. This includes ending the implementation of the nationally determined contribution and, very importantly, the Green Climate Fund, which is costing the United States a vast fortune.
Chemtrail debate rages on. Is there a secret program where hundreds of unmarked planes are spraying a chemical cocktail in the air? Debunkers say that these are simply traditional jet contrails being mixed with certain atmospheric conditions to cause what only seem to be unusual patterns in the sky. I was unable to find any protocols for air traffic control that would result in planes flying in the familiar tic-tac-toe patterns that chemtrail believers often refer to.
So I'm driving down the street in my hometown of Modesto, and here's what I see on a billboard. Wildfire embers can travel over 1 mile. And look, the end of the sign looks like it's been burned for extra added effect. So apparently wildfire embers can travel over 1 mile. Yes, farther than 1 mile. So 2 miles, 3 miles, 4 miles, fucking 100 miles, infinity miles. Because that would also be over 1 mile. So apparently wildfire embers can travel an unlimited distance, because that would definitely be over 1 mile. Wildfire embers from here in California could jump across the Pacific Ocean and land in fucking Japan. That would be over 1 mile. Better beware, because the wildfire embers are fucking coming for you.
Oh, they got sheriff over there. All right. Well, that's good. Close to the fuel tank, what just happened was the fuel line just started burning. Yeah. So any vapor that's in the fuel lines, it's getting bigger and bigger. Here, fire's almost here. Fire's almost here. Oh my goodness. What are they going to do?
I was moving out, I was with my wife, drove by around my shop, I saw my truck was already fire, and fire was not coming even close to the building yet. And fire was not coming even close to the building yet.
Dude? Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Turn your fucking phone around. Yeah, I see this shit. And fucking film that shit. Can you hear the I don't know. It's gone. What is this, Jake? The school? This is Fountain Grove. No, this is the plaza. Remember? Oh my god, this is the plaza. Right, the food right here? Oh shit. The fucking golf course is going down, dude. Jake, we need to go the fastest way home right now. Alright. Okay. We're going this way. Somebody just came down, so I'm pretty sure we're... Just keep an eye on the road. Oh my god. How the fuck did it get up here, dude? I gotta get to your mom's house now, stat. Dude, I'm not comfortable now. Fuck no, you think I was... These fucking $1 million houses. Be careful, please. Yeah, I know, up here. Oh, but it's gone. God, it's fucking gone. Oh my god. You can slow down for that one. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is seriously like the movie. This is the end, dude. Dude. This is so the end. Oh my god. There's a fucking